everyone, I'm Kevin, and we're back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna try to guess like every single code for the green bit. Like, I'm not kidding. We're gonna like guess. So I have a okay, how do you say this? Okay, I have a piece of paper and it's written with all the codes. But if they work, that's actually good. So that means we can do the boss battle. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that. Okay, I got the boat. Boom. Okay. Keep. Got it. Oh, I have an idea. Nope. I don't like Extra Speed. I don't know why. Okay, I am subscribed because, you know, he's a cool guy, though. Alright, oh no. Give me a sec. I can't. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, I missed. I found a chair. Okay, that's good. Just gotta find. Okay, there we go. Okay. Right, we're gonna start. No, I'm not. No, you can't join my team. I'm actually busy. I'm making a video, bro. Okay, so I just gotta go keep going straight. So that's not that bad. Let me join. No, I don't think that's a good idea because I don't know what's gonna happen, but I feel like he's gonna join my team, and I feel like I have to like go back and like redo it because I don't want to do that. The book code is really that easy. Oh, it's kind of funny. My board is stuck there. Alright, so I better not mess this up. Okay, we gotta do it. Okay, green, red, blue, and yellow. Okay, pink. Got it. Yes. Okay, so we'll have a bunch of codes. Okay, so I might have to like repeat them. So, oh yeah. Creek, bro. Why does everybody think I'm Creek, bro? Oh, yeah, they don't want his video. You should like shout out to my friend. He made a video and then he made like it's like a joke. So the video, I'll show you a game called Kiss Animate. That's actually fake. No, it's not true. I know it's not true because I never played that game, by the way. 0, 7, nope. What about 16? 16. Nothing? Okay. 7, 7, 8. Hold up. I did it wrong. Hold up. 7, 7, 9, 8. 9, 8. No. 5, 7. 3, 9. No. No. Oh my god, bro. This guy being annoying, bro. Okay, 9, 4. Nothing. 5, 6, 8, 8. Hold up. Be right back. Okay, so we are back because it took me a minute to try. Because I did the codes wrong. So the answer for my answer was 1719. Bro, that took me a lot. It took me like 3 tries. So yeah, so you have to search up this video called DJ's Dynamic Dash or any speedrun. Yeah, if you search that channel up, it gives you the entire like codes, like the entire like everything. Because like the YouTuber guessed it. I finally did it. Oh my god. Okay, so my answer was 1719. Because I did the code wrong. All right, let's do this alone. I never done this alone before. I always do it on duos. Alright, let's do this. Okay. go.